Hello everyone. Are you wondering what TNTL means? Let's explore. TNTL stands for Too Nice to Live, a phrase used to describe someone who was extremely kind or naive, to the point where it could be seen as a flaw. This term highlights the idea that being overly nice can make a person vulnerable to being taken advantage of by others. TNTL is often used humorously to point out that someone's goodness might not always serve them well in a tough world. It's a way of acknowledging that while kindness is a virtue, there can be situations where being too nice could lead to negative outcomes. In essence, TNTL is about balancing kindness with self-preservation. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.